Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, I'm Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I'll give you a new recipe every week. I have a big bowl here for mixing purposes. And again, you can cook your chicken however you want. You could grill it or you could boil it, to have your chicken salad. This is 4 chicken breasts here. Now, if you're making it for a party or for an event, you might need more than 4 chicken breasts, but this is 4 chicken breasts that I cubed up. And I'm now going to add my green onions right here on the side. My fresh basil right here. My grapes right here. This is about 1.5 cups of grapes that I just cut up. And all the ingredients will be listed for you. Here are our ingredients. And these are my walnuts. My almonds. And my celery right here. And then now we're going to add our Miracle Whip. So the almonds are in here to add a crunchy texture, and then we have the grapes to add a little bit of that sweetness because you have a little bit of the pungency from the green onions, and a little bit from the lemon of the chicken, so help balance everything out here, and the freshness of the basil. And so now we got our Miracle Whip. Now, you don't have to use Miracle Whip. And again, all the ingredients will be listed for you below. But I like the little twang, the tanginess taste of the Miracle Whip. Hence why I always add it with mayo. You could use whatever mayo you have on hand, whatever you prefer. I like Duke's. So I'm just squeezing that right here. Okay. I have my mayo, my Miracle Whip, and my little bit of Dijon mustard. Again, all balancing tanginess, sweetness, a little tartness, all of it kind of going on here. And we have our crunchiness. And so our black pepper. Black pepper here. And a little bit of our Himalayan salt. And now we're gonna mix it. Now we're just gonna mix everything all together. You need to have a big bowl for your mixing. Now you may need some more mayo and Miracle Whip. Depends, if you want it to be really creamy. Here's our vitamin content. Well, our chicken salad is all done. And I have my resident taste tester here, Mr. Jack. And we just have this paired here with some croissant or also like little Hawaiian sliders. You can use whatever bread you have at home, or you can get bigger croissants as opposed to mini croissants like I have, or sub rolls, whatever you want. So this is what I had. This is what Jack is gonna try. So our resident taste tester.
Let's try.
Okay, let's do it.
I'll try the Hawaiian roll first.
All right.
Really goes together well with all the flavors and everything. All blend together really well. Nice little sweet, a little tangy. It's really good.
Thank you. This is from a young palate, so that's important to know. And from a chef perspective, I'll taste the croissant. He's absolutely right. You taste a little bit of the tanginess, the sweetness, a little bit of the creaminess, the crunchiness, all of it.
And the croissant's the same way too, just as good.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste a bite of the Hawaiian roll, see if it makes a difference. So here it is. You have your soft bread here. You have your flaky, delicate bread here. I just love all the things it's doing to my mouth. The crunchiness, a little bit of the sweetness. Get the crunch from the celery and the almonds. Delicious. The freshness of that basil comes through too. So definitely give yourself a try of this. If you make chicken salad a whole completely different way, comment below, let me know. Or let me know how it was when you tried this. So Jack and I sign off and tell you we'll see you in our next video. Mwah. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.